In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email in HubSpot. This process will streamline your communication, allowing you to manage emails directly within HubSpot's platform and boost your productivity without switching between different tools. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look for the settings icon. It's usually found at the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon will bring you to the settings page, the heart of personalizing your HubSpot experience. This is where you can manage various preferences, including your email settings. Next, on the left-hand panel, you should be able to see an option labeled Email. Click on it to proceed. This page is dedicated to emailing settings, helping you manage your email integration, and ensuring that you can access and send emails directly from HubSpot without any hassle. You'll then see an option that says Connect Personal Email. By selecting this, you're telling HubSpot that you want to link your personal email account with the HubSpot platform. After this option is chosen, look for the Connect Your Inbox button and click on it. This is a crucial step, as connecting your inbox will allow HubSpot to sync emails automatically, making your workflow much smoother. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's essential to input the email you intend to connect with HubSpot. Double check it to avoid any mistakes because accuracy here is crucial. Once entered, go ahead and click on Next. This will take you through the necessary steps to authenticate this connection. Sometimes you might be redirected to your email provider's login page. This is perfectly normal, and you might need to log in to authorize the connection. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, your email should be successfully connected to HubSpot. From now on, you can manage your emails directly through the HubSpot platform, track email conversations with your contacts seamlessly, and improve your customer engagement. As a quick tip, always keep an eye on your settings page. HubSpot often rolls out new features and integrations, and this page will help you stay updated and get the most out of your HubSpot experience. If you run into any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to HubSpot's support team or consult their help documentation. They provide great resources to help troubleshoot and address common concerns users might encounter. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful for you to connect your email account in HubSpot. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Happy emailing,